On your chair? No.
Kelsey Levy.
She didn't put hand up.
How about Christina Oliver?
Her case was dismissed, Judge.
Oliver was dismissed?
Yes.
Okay. Lindsay, did you get a hold of your client?
Not yet, Your Honor.
No? Okay. So it's 9:03 now. I'll give her till 9:30.
If she comes in after dark, can we just arrest her and hold her to the spot?
Yeah,
And I
for
can
sure.
still do the job tomorrow.
Oh, well, I mean, we'll see, really, because I don't know how about their witnesses and clients and stuff. So, I mean, we'll certainly see,
Thank you.
of course.
Yeah. Okay.
Judge, ready?
Yeah.
All right. Top of six, DuPont, come on up. Go around.
Oh, she's on, we have some address.
Okay, what was the last name, Victoria, please? Sorry.
DuPont,
DuPont.
page 6.
All right, good morning, Ms. DuPont. Ma'am, you were charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On 7/6/26, officer was dispatched to 13750 East Freeway, Walmart in Harris County, Texas, in reference to theft. Upon arrival, officer made contact with CW Asset Protection Associate, who stated she observed defendant conceal multiple items in personal bag and attempted to leave the store without making any attempt to render payment for the items. Officer viewed surveillance footage that confirmed CW's story. Total value of the items were $259.66.
Was she with anyone or was she alone?
As far as I know, she was just herself.
All right, Ms. DuPont, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to go to any Walmart whatsoever for any reason. If you endanger my city, I will put you in jail. There will be no more PR bonds for you. This is not a revolving door. Do you understand me? Tell me, do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? How do you support yourself? Great. What kind of income do you make a month?
800.
Ms. DuPont, I don't know who you have in this life, but if you continually endanger my city, I will throw you butt in jail. I will give you a high bond. And if you don't have anyone to pony up that kind of money, you will be stuck like Chuck for who knows how long. There are no mistakes in this life. There are choices, and you either make a good one or a boneheaded one. Do you understand? I will not have this conversation with you again. You're old enough to know what's right, what's wrong. Deputy will give you an application. I need you to fill it out to see whether you qualify for an appointed lawyer. If you do, at that point, we'll appoint you a lawyer. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions. And ma'am, no more Walmart, any of them. You understand? Okay, come on.
Top of 8, Eggman, come on up.
Can you file, please, no Walmart?
It was no Walmart, no,
Just no going to any Walmart whatsoever. All right, good morning, Mr. Hagman. Sir, you're charged with criminal trespass of a habitation or shelter. That kicks it up to a Class A misdemeanor. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you, sir. Do you need a cause number? 2633-270.
On 8/3/2026, officer was dispatched to 1550 Middlebrook Drive apartment complex in Harris County, Texas, in reference to a trespasser. Upon arrival, officer made contact with CW, who stated defendant showed up to her apartment and began an argument with her, and he was becoming increasingly aggressive as time went on. CW stated she told defendant to leave her residence, but he refused. So she locked herself in her bedroom for approximately an hour. CW then called 911 to have defendant removed from the residence. Officers arrived and asked defendant to leave the property twice, but he refused. Defendant then was taken into custody.
So she does not want contact with him. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Hagman, I'm going to find it. Did you say that? Wait, I didn't hear you. Did you say that he was inside? He broke in?
Yes, Judge. He was inside and she asked him to leave and he wouldn't. So she had to go lock herself in the room, call the police to have them removed. Police came, asked them to leave, he refused, and then that's when they got arrested.
Mr. Hagman, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to have any contact with this complaining witness and not to go back to this location. I don't care if you're lovesick. I don't care if it's a breakup. I don't care if it's a wedding. I don't care if it's a quinceañera. It doesn't matter. When I mean no contact, I mean no contact of any kind. Phone calls, text messages, use of third parties, email, Snapchat, social media. No means no. It doesn't mean maybe. Do you understand? If you go back, if you attempt to have contact with this person, then I will put you in jail. There will be no more PR bonds for you. Do you mind reaching out to her to let her know what conditions that we've placed so that she knows if he starts acting up, then we'll take appropriate actions, please? I'm also ordering you not to be in possession of any weapons as well, sir. Tell me, do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
Yes, Your Honor.
We will give you time. I'm going to have you go sign a reset. We will have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go. When you come back, please have a lawyer. All right? Please.
All right, bottom of 10, Lindsay.
If you can file those as well. Good morning, Mr. Lindsay. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Yeah, it's 2 6, 4 3s, and a 2.
On April 2026, officer was conducting routine traffic patrol in Hughes County, Texas. When they observed a white Chevrolet Sonic with expired registration. And license was also suspended. A traffic stop was conducted. And officer made contact with the driver, the defendant. While speaking with the defendant, officer observed him to have unsteady balance and there was an odor of alcohol emitting from his person. Defendant consented to a vehicle search and officer located 2 styrofoam cups that had a heavy odor of alcohol emitting from them.
Alcohol in the car.
SFSDs were conducted, HGN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 5 out of 8. One leg stand 2 out of 4, DIC was read. But defendant refused to consent to breath or blood. Blood warrant was signed and executed.
Does he have a license to drive? And does he have any prior DWIs? Please. You know, in today's age, I would damn guess it's elementary. You're not to have alcohol in the car while you're driving. And if it's proven at trial, it's damn near a week flat in jail. I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case, Mr. Lindsay. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. You are not allowed to drive any vehicle that's not equipped with an ignition interlock on it. If I catch you driving a vehicle without an interlock, or without a valid Texas driver license, or without valid liability insurance, I will revoke your bond and I will put you in jail. I'm just asking you to follow the law. Do you understand me? I'm not asking you to split the atom. Imagine you get into an accident and maim another person. How is that fair if you don't have insurance? You understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. Does he have a license to drive?
No, Judge, it's not eligible.
This is an affidavit that you're going to sign with me. You do not have a license to drive. You're going to promise me today that you're not going to drive any vehicle whatsoever for any reason. If you do, in violation of this court order, I can have a contempt hearing, and every time you drive, I can slap you with 180 days in jail and a $500 fine. I don't care that you need groceries. I don't care that a cat has to go to the hospital. Do you understand? There's nothing in this life that you can justify getting into a car.
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you what the expectation is so that when you go back out there in the free world, you know what is expected, because if you violate these conditions, it's just not going to go well between us. Because you are not allowed to drive, you will get a handheld portable device that you're going to take with you everywhere you go to prove to us that you're not consuming alcohol. One more thing, Mr. Lindsay, I sent notice to DPS in Austin. Every police officer in this state, if they pull you over, they will know that you have an interlock requirement, and if they don't see one in your car, they will take you to jail. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have the ability to hire lawyers.
Yes.
Okay, we will give you time. I'm going to have you sign a reset. I'm going to have you swear to us that you're not going to drive. I will have you take your seat. This is Mr. Lindsay. Do you have the cause number? Do you need it?
Yes.
Okay, it's 26, 4 3s, and a 2. It's a DWI. So no alcohol, no illegal drugs, random testing, no driving, no weapons, and a guardian interlock. I'm sorry, a portable device that he gets today, please. And waive all the fees as well. All right, so I'm going to have you sign a reset. We'll have you swear to it, and then we'll have you take your seat in the jury box. Come on.
That's it for now. The other attorney said he was gonna zoom on for Nelson. But I don't know.
Do you solemnly swear to the truth, not to put a motor vehicle in operation before?
Yes.
Thank you. I'm sure it is.
Are you ready? Mr. Salazar's case, and did you get the paperwork? No? Okay.
Oh.
Council for reset?
You solemnly swear or affirm all information is true and correct?
Council for that.
I don't know. Let me see. Who's a lawyer in Ventura? No, we can't do anything until we get her here. When he stays, he's gonna be here on this. I don't get this. Oh, hey, it's Harris Wood.
It has two names, but I
Okay.
think Chelsea will put it in.
Joel, I'm ready when you, are you ready?
We need to collect this.
Come on, let's go. Thanks.
But she has 2 days.
Okay. Is he going in?
Number?
Is he going in, Joel,
He's working today.
today?
Yes.
Okay. So the only thing I have to change is it's a reckless driving, so it's $200
Yes, the minimum.
and then what is it, 30-day. So I have to just make the changes on here. Okay.
I don't know why it's not auto populating when we do reference.
I don't know, it's, Okay. Good morning, Mr. Collins. Sir, you're charged with reckless driving. You're facing up to a $200 fine and or 30 days in jail. The agreement that you have worked out is 15 days in jail with credit for the 2 days that you've done. So you have just a little bit of time left to do. What you're doing today is you're pleading guilty to this offense. This offense will go on your record. It's possible it can be used to enhance your punishment for future offense that you pick up. Do you understand? You may not be looking at just next time you pick up a criminal case, you could be looking at more time. You understand that? Not only that, do you see all these racing and reckless driving cases that are all around? I can't tell you how many cars we've had come in here that have been seized by the district attorney's office because of people continue to race, reckless drive, maniacal driving. They take it, seize it, don't get it back. So if you like whatever car you're driving, it's probably not a good idea on 610, 59, anywhere. There are certain places in Houston that you can do it, just not where you're going to endanger the public. Do you understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, it goes on your record. You can never change this or undo this. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? Is this the only case that Mr. Collins has now?
Yes.
Okay, sir, I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow the agreement. I'm going to roll your court costs so you won't owe anything. Be careful, man. Just don't kill anyone. You know, we're not asking for much. All right. All right. Good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Salazar. Always a pleasure. Hey, come on up.
Ricardo.
Good morning. Last name Ricardo?
Last name was Lara.
Oh, Claire.
Top of 9.
We got the contract yesterday.
Oof.
No, Judge, it took a while, not because this prosecutor, but another, somebody else in the DA's office did some confusion over his license and TRAS. But he had completed everything, license was valid, but for some reason on their.
So where are we at now?
We've got everything. I got the contract yesterday. Client just needs to schedule a time to get the interlock.
He
installed.
needs to call today.
Yes.
I'm giving you a week. If it's not done in a week, I'm rolling you day for day.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. If not, he's coming back Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday until he gets it done.
Absolutely.
So let him know.
All
It's
right.
probably a good idea to call today.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Previously, had been small pensions. Yeah.
Zachary Heckman.
Yes.
Take your on, she's a judge. Go ahead and sign for me on the keyboard.
Yeah.
Can you sign the conditions for IT?
Yeah. Yeah.
What you do?
Thanks.
Do you want to conditions?
Aye.
Just call it.
Hey, no one's here for trial. No one's here for trial.
Judge, I was told that the first classified, I didn't get the rest.
Who, which defense? I mean, it's 9:30. No one's here, you know?
The defendant is here, Judge.
On Levy?
Yes, she's here. And, let me pull out her defense name.
And what?
I'm pulling out the attorney's name here in a second. Mauricia.
Yeah, yeah.
We passed by earlier, and I'm just ready to see what's my name in your selection. I didn't see her.
Do you guys have a panel?
Yes, Judge.
Can you go grab them? Or,
He's gonna go get it.
okay.
Okay. Next is. September 3rd. Okay, September 3rd, that goes. And non-college. Yeah, great. 8675.
What's up?
Good to see you.
Ms. Watkins.
Hey, and Courtney?
I'm sure you want to.
I don't know anything, man.
Ariana Barnett.
They do. They do.
How long was that? How long have this been?
Minute.
Hello, John.
Hey, what's up?
Well, you've heard the expression, no good deed goes unpunished.
I hate those. How are you?
Well, I'm doing fine.
Talk to me.
Herman is out of town with his family, and he asked me to come in for the lady to do bond conditions.
What's the last name?
It's not on the docket.
It's not on the docket? What's your cause number?
26 34,
Oh, hold on.
or I should say 8675309.
2634
34154. Check those emails.
154 on Robinson.
Yes, sir. And she, this was her day off, and so they've already got a reset for a new date, but she needs to get her bond condition.
Oh, yeah, she's supposed to be here Friday. Okay, you mind bringing her up?
Well, I would love to bring her up, except the lady's not here yet, and you guys are getting ready to start, so,
Well, she's not here. I can't do it.
well, no, I know that. Are there any, can I explain? I mean, what are the other bond conditions? Do we know what kind of case it is?
It's a DWI.
Okay. Is she gonna
I
need,
really don't have enough information to tell you. I mean, the standard conditions are no drugs, no alcohol, random testing. If there's something aggravating, then I might put an interlock. If there's alcohol in the car or a prior DWI,
okay, 263.
if I find PC.
Right, 2634154. And like I said, was no.
Is she supposed to be here?
So
Okay,
no-
well, maybe she's running a little bit late.
Could be, but I was trying to get things ready before you buy.
No good deed.
Exactly,
Well, it's going to be at least 30 minutes until they get here, until we get started. So,
perfect. So if something happens, I'll get, but is there anything, just so we can check any stuff?
and your defense lawyer is still not here. I don't know what time he's, so. Just, I guess, let me know when she arrives.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and then we'll go from
I
there.
was just, I was checking ahead of time, seeing if there was anything aggravated.
BAC,
Or what?
226.
226 BAC.
0.
PC for this time. No worries. What are y'all trying to do? Trying to do it,
I have no idea. I don't know. It's usually DWI and assault.
you know, you can have a son that you go, good.
Yeah, oh, thanks. They were in Galveston.
Was behind the wheel, sleep, unable to wake up, firefighters are called to try to get her out of the car. When she woke up, she said that she came out of the bar, prior to driving.
I'd probably give her a portable device for the first couple months.
That's good. Thank you. I'll check in.
Just let me know. Yeah, hi.
I just got assigned one.
Okay,
This is pretty close to you, but I think it's just gonna be a bummer. The last name is McAllister.
Houston?
McAllister.
Oh,
She
McAllister.
picked up 2 new felonies, that's why she's in here.
Let me see. McAllister. Oh, there we go. Latour. Okay, yeah, so she's on bond for theft. She picks up a PCS and then a felony theft. So 5,000 too.
Okay, and can we continue to reset it with the felony?
Yeah, we're,
Thank you, Rick.
We speak and she'll be here. She's turning off her phone even as we speak and after finishes his stuff.
okay, yeah, I'm ready.
Go ahead, Mike. I'm just talking. The most important person here.
No, I'm not.
Elena,
Judge, bottom of one.
Good morning, Judge.
hey,
How
what's
are
up?
you? Hey, I'm
What's
here
up?
on, yes, Mr. Banks.
Yes, what do you want to do with Banks? It's 170 days old.
It is, but I didn't come on till it's an old case, but I came on it late. So I just want you to know I wasn't holding it for 178 days. And I think we're moving towards, they have an offer of deferred. This was like dealing with a custody kind of dispute. And so it's kind of abnormal. And so I guess we need a trial date.
Okay, is the defendant here?
I'm not sure.
Let's do this.
they
I'm gonna
told me
bring him up
when-
because I want to admonish him that if we're gonna set it, we're gonna go. and then we'll do a final plea bargain date.
Okay,
So-
that's fine. Can you do me a favor?
Sure.
I'm just I can head to that. Victoria just emailed me and said y'all about to start a trial. So I just wanted to zoom in.
Yeah, okay. Just
Okay.
give me a day next week you want. Whatever day you want.
Okay, let's see.
Do you have an offer on the case?
It's just,
Yes.
6 months deferred.
Got it. Okay.
It is, let's do this next Tuesday, the 18th is fine.
So the 18th?
Yes, I'm good with that.
Okay, so
The
he'll
board is
have to
good.
be here, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
One more thing. Can you eval it with and without the complaining witness just in case by that day? Okay, we got you.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Elena.
All right,
Take
bye-bye.
care. Mr. Monks, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Brad?
I need to give you a cost number, Victoria,
Oh, I
on
have
this.
Judge.
You got it?
Yes.
Yeah, I was way ahead of this.
All right, good morning, Ms. Robinson. Ma'am, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. You are facing up to a year in jail and/or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Okay.
On 8/9/2026, officer responded to meet the firefighter call, Harris County, Texas, on a public roadway. Upon arrival at 4:36 a.m., officers located the defendant,
Did you say it's 6 a.m.?
4:36.
4:36, okay.
Seated in the driver's seat of the vehicle. The vehicle was registered to her, turned off, and surrounded by HFD personnel. The hood was warm to the touch. Captain Manchester, HFD stated he removed the vehicle's keys after waking defendant who appeared unconscious at the wheel while the vehicle was running. CW found credible and reliable, stated that she had been behind Robinson's vehicle at a red light and could not wake her up, prompting her to call 911. Officers observed her to be drowsy, have red glossy eyes, slurred speech, and she admitted to consuming alcohol earlier in the night at a downtown bar. SFSD showed 6 out of 6 HGN, 5 out of 8 walk and turn, 2 out of 4 one night stand. DIC 24 was red. She consented to breath test, which came back 0.226.
226. Does she have a license to drive? Does she have any prior DWIs, please? Ms. Robinson, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and you will be randomly tested. I'm telling you that I'm going to test you in about 50 days. If you test positive for anything illegal, including marijuana, THC, gummies, it might not go well between us. Do you understand? I am also now ordering you not to drive any vehicle that's not equipped with an ignition interlock on it. If you're caught driving a vehicle that doesn't have an interlock, you're in violation of these bond conditions, and likewise, it will be revoked. You will go into custody. There will be no more PR bonds for you. I send notice to DPS in Austin so that every police officer in this state knows if they pull you, bless you. If they pull you over, whatever, bless you. Whatever car you're driving doesn't have an interlock, they will take you to jail. Do you understand? I don't know if you have a problem with drugs or alcohol. If you do, now is the time for you to address it, because if you don't, and it becomes a problem on bond, I will do it for you. And I promise you're not going to like the way that I do it. You understand?
Judge is, she does have a valid driver's license. There are no prior DWIs.
Okay. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with counsel. If they tell me they cannot get a hold of you, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. If you pick up a new case, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. If you don't follow these bond conditions, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. I'm giving you what the expectation is so that there are no surprises when you're out there in the free world. You understand? I will protect my community at all costs. And if I have to put you in jail at a 50,000, 200,000, 5 million, I'm just not going to lose sleep over it. You understand? All right, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The jury simply called to let us know that they do not have enough jurors for our panel, so our panel is being pushed back to 11. Yes.
Okay. Might have to do it tomorrow. Hey, ready?
I've got a, Enrique de Leon.
What's the last name? So it's under G or is it under I?
E.
E.
With Enrique de Leon, G-U-D.
Hmm. Yeah, that'd be better.
260-5833.
Gotcha. Where are we at?
This one where he has not turned in his PTI application. And
He's had it since June. We are now in August. Where's Mr. De Leon now?
he's not here to
Okay.
explain the situation.
So let's set him for Tuesday. Let him know he's got to have the packet done, turned into you by Tuesday. If not, I'm rolling him day for day till he gets it done. He's been working on it for the last 2.5 months. Just,
No, I'll let him know that.
Yep.
I'm stressed.
so Tuesday must appear, please.
And then I've got another one, sir.
Okay.
That's, Mr. Calvin,
Bottom of 3.
Elijah Calvin. And he's student at, he applied right now for stress.
He's the,
TRS, he's applying for stress.
okay, has he turned everything in?
Yes, yes, sir.
Did you just need an application or did you need a mitigation packet? On Calvo.
Well, he's been approved 18 months, and he's.
And have you guys gotten,
Driver's license and his T driver's pen.
but you've gotten the contract, you've gotten the application? Calvo.
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 Yes, Judge, I 100%, they're just doing the TRAS.
Okay,
So I already approved it back on 7/20.
right, but they filled out the application though.
Correct, so if you fill out the application, everything has been
Okay.
done, they were just pending the TRAS.
He's here now?
before we generate the contract.
He's not here. I mean, he's here.
So we'll send him to go do a TRAS now,
Right, that's what
and then we'll give you 1 to 2 weeks to finish it up.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So spring, farm is 25.
Yeah, sure.
All right, go ahead and sign the design. No, it's only been from the beginning to go to. All right, go ahead and slide over. That's something to sign. Council for research? September. Yes. Yeah.
Hey, Myrisha, are you okay rolling it to tomorrow? Yeah, there's not enough jurors. So we'll get the first pick of the panel because no one gets them on Wednesdays.
Okay.
So we can start early. You okay with that?
Mhm.
Okay, we'll do that.
Okay.
All right. You come. Go tomorrow. Hi. What's up?
I like to approach all that.
Yeah, of course.
Case number. It's going to be 261
Hold on. 261.
0088. This is our case for Ms. Green.
Yes.
You're right. It was brought to my attention literally, I think, an hour and a half after our speedy trial motion, this past week, there was a judgment released and an amendment to the, information alleging that there's a prior, DWI conviction, Judge. We're objecting to it. I don't know if you'd like to hear the motion prior to the trial or, on trial day, but I find.
When are you set already?
The
Yes, Judge,
25th,
which of the
Judge.
25th, Judge, Judge Brown already signed it.
Motion to amend?
Yes, Your Honor. I notified the defense that I was filing the motion, and that's what we had to do. He gets 10 days, and he gets 10 days if he wanted to, but we're not set for trial.
Say it again.
He can request 10 days if he needs to, but we were set for trial on the 23rd or the 25th, so we are way past the 10 days that he's required, but we're allowed to amend it.
So, and I think I still have the right to object to it.
Sure, of course.
And I think it's a huge problem that directly an hour after a speedy trial violation, we're releasing discovery of a prior conviction. And
Whoa.
I mean,
They're not releasing discovery. They're just amending the
no, they released the
information.
discovery. I didn't have notice of this prior conviction, and I had never been.
Well, but you
given
had
it until
notice-
an hour after.
You had noticed quite a bit while ago,
No,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, a week ago at least. You're not set for trial for another 3 weeks.
This was Friday.
Okay, but I mean, she signed it. I'm willing to hear whatever you have to say. But I mean,
So would you like?
what's the law with regard to amending informations?
I believe the law is not so much on the amending of the indictment, but the law.
Well, this is not an
discovery.
indictment though.
Or information.
Okay.
I think the problem is the late discovery, Judge,
What discovery?
the conviction, the
The
prior
judgment,
conviction, the
judgment.
judgment. We're getting a judgment almost 6 months after filing.
Does the law say they can't do that?
I believe 3914 says that it should have been provided a lot sooner.
That's
as soon as
3914 doesn't
reasonably
govern the amendments of information.
It doesn't govern the amendment of information, but they have to provide that discovery. That discovery of that conviction, that is in my 3914, and they should have provided it.
Okay,
So Judge, I will say that before I released the judgment and before we had our speedy trial issue, even though defense waived any notices, I did file a notice of prior conviction. So he was aware of this conviction.
and he already waived notices anyways?
Correct. He had waived notices when we were gonna have the speedy trial hearing, but I did file either way a notice of extraneous and prior convictions, notifying him of his prior conviction. I was just waiting to receive the judgment, to receive the JNS before officially amending.
Where's it from?
I received it, it's from, I can't say it.
So,
Nacogdoches.
Nacogdoches? Can't say Nacogdoches? Come on, man.
I don't think Massachusetts.
You want to do it this week? Do you want to do it? When do you want to do it?
When is the report available? And I would.
All week,
prefer to
just-
see you.
Yeah, all week, but just let's do, 10 o'clock. I don't know. You want to do Thursday?
Thursday's fine.
Ramona, you going to be here?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so let's set it for Tuesday, Thursday, 10 a.m.
Thank you. And can I email, how do you prefer I contact you about getting the transcript from the hearing? Email, thank you.
Okay.
Just to let them know that we are in trial, just so. Please, I can see this.
I guess we could start earlier then.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Mr. Burnett, we're probably going to be in trial, so let's do it at 9. Okay?
Sounds good. I'll be here at 8:30.
Okay. Ms. Harvey, do you want me to reach out to the lawyer? Have you spoken to the lawyer at all?
So I had a call from the office, from their assistant.
Did they say anything? When?
I did not get a time.
Okay, I guess I'll reach out to them now
Okay.
and see, because if they don't get it here by a certain time, I'm going to do it regardless, because I have to.
Okay.
So, what was the last name again?
Nelson,
Nelson.
Judge, I received an email from the assistant as well. They asked for this. I gave it to them.
Hey, make sure today, right at noon, let's get a pen. Okay, you rolled the first one. Oh, wonderful. Okay, that way. What today?
He's live streaming. That's why you can see.
Why you gotta put me on Front Street like that? Hey, Joel, you got my email?
No, Your Honor.
Peralta,
2-6.
bond violation 2, 3, 4. So make sure he's here Friday, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, do you need me for a second?
I don't.
Okay.
You're so red.
And she's been the boss. Wonderful. Okay. Alright, is. We try to just stop it. But it's not under it. Yeah. There was a case that. Check for the next week. Which statements?
Well, it's only like for me. Yeah.
I like it.
You are connected.
Probably on the previous cases.
Oh, interesting, yeah, no, I don't know. I don't know. She probably does know.
Maybe I'll talk with you.
Yeah, I'm here on one case and one case only.
Okay.
Major offenders.
I can help you here, come on. You see me there. And you remind me to touch.
Yeah.
Robinson. Yeah, we start with finish.
I'm not here, wasn't sure.
No, it's just 5 8. That's one thing. But this was about something out the best of me, so I'm just thinking that I'm going to question. Which is, yeah, that position, that was 19. Well, we have a bunch of positions in the house, and we're going to go yeah, there's something else, not fortunately.
Well, not yet. And then let's do, every day, I don't look down the first year, it's all in the later part. It's 2 4 1 2 4. And you've got Harvard, Gilbert, and Long. Yes, and this one was in the PDO's office as well. There's Demonte. Get it back. Oh, but he has both. I'm results of our search. The original attorney was. That's why that was signed. Yeah, that's what someone said. It depends on you per day. Yeah. Yeah, just. Cause I didn't even know about it. Because, yeah, that's what we're saying.
Is something from the.
That's even whack. Something must be in this, you know, this one too, the same TVO's office, so that makes four. Okay. Collier and Bustamante. Okay. Oh, he's first. It's the last two. I'm gonna put Stay there. They want me to dismiss. Recall or.
Thank you very much. Yes, please.
Thank you. It's nice. No, it's just. Mostly investments. The carbon. Except the project. All the bosses, all the tree.
Okay.
You gotta get that line on that over there. I sent you an email. It has the names there.
No, no, I think it's.
Yes. Maybe that's just make sure it's all TV problem.
Like the suspension. When I realized that, it expired.
How long?
When did it expire? But it's eligible, okay,
Yeah.
so it's an eligible file to do this.
All the rock suspension that we have, was for 7.7. So that's already been lifted. So I will only use this for the four. So there is a. Just to restate it.
Okay,
So, no.
okay, I'll let them
That's our, nice.
Done. Anybody else?
No, that's it.
Just tell me.
I know. You should. Say, Rob. How are you doing? Pretty good, just kidding. Yeah, that's you know, should anyone see you?
No, my day's on Thursday.
Oh, okay.
But, you know, back.
Good luck, man.
Thank you.
Hi.
One case. 262 205. Roberto Gomez.
Hi, sorry, I'm interrupting.
Sent
I'll let over marriage this minute.
He's got the title transfer.
What?
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh. That's on the state side. You know, after doing this for 25 years, I would say 50, even in my career, a lot's changed.
Four,
Your mileage shares on case by case basis.
I didn't.
Then typical, I don't know if. This is the first week of school for lots of different school districts. I wonder if. Will be taking pieces to take care of.
Yeah, I'm gonna see. A picture.
Yeah, unfortunately, for some reason, my secretary prints it out. So it came up, my secretary prints it out and then scans it, instead of just. putting it on the- Sorry about that. Can we do it? Sure.
Yes, please, like, put it in the file. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I'm gonna let her know that.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hello. How are you, Sharon? Yes, you are, yes.
Yeah.
This is all counting.
Well, my, substantial. The two.
So far, so good. Do you have a review? That's really selfish. Alright, results. Okay. This is the, paying culture recognition meeting. And then I'm just going to raise it. You want to touch it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm trying to make it name people.
Yeah, but I think we're expecting results. You can do
Hi,
it.
Joseph Gutines, please. Yes, this is Judge Fleischer in Court 5. We're waiting on him to do an arraignment, and it's, now 10:20, and we have other people that are waiting here. Calling to see whether he's going to Zoom on or whether he's going to come in. If not, I'm just going to go ahead and start doing probable cause. Do you mind?
I need to see if I can get a hold of Give me 1 second.
Sure. Yes. Looking for Joe Gutines, Joseph Gutines. Yes, correct. This is Judge Fleischer in Court 5, and it's now nearing 10:30. And we're wondering if he's going to come in, or should we just do probable cause by itself? Do you mind finding out what time? Because if it's going to be a little bit later, we're just going to go ahead and do probable cause. We have other people that are waiting here for him. Okay. Yes, ma'am. This is my cell phone. All right. Thank you so much.
Hey, good morning. Hey, folks.
Yeah. Hi, Eddie.
Hi.
What's up, buddy? The same old thing, man.
You know, I have a plan, I was gonna see if the court would allow me to do a walkthrough, if you have 1 hour.
What's the cost number?
24727
24727.
42.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, well, all right.
Hold on, let me see.
It's a theft judge and then he's on a probation. I'm in, San Antonio.
I'm not giving him another PR bond. He'll have to post it because he's already missed court once. But if you bring him with a bonding company, then yeah,
Okay, any point during the week?
whenever you want. I don't care. It's up to you.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Shoot.
For Wagner, Benjamin Wagner, she said on August 17th. Because the other ones are set for August 4th.
No, no. Let me see. Sorry. I didn't realize he had more cases.
Well, no, there were two other emails that were for August 14th, so Friday of this week, and I think I heard earlier that we're setting KPRs.
Yeah, yeah. Let me, 262.
Yeah, it's just all on there, so we're ready.
Oh, no. I've been staggering him. Yeah, because, yeah. There's like 20 bond violations. I can't put 20 on Friday. That's nuts.
I saw them on Friday.
Yeah, a lot, some of them I've been staggering because I can't do that.
But I mean, I enjoy it.
Wow.
Yeah.
First year. Yeah. Thank you.
Ms. Harvey, if the person's not here by 10:45, we will get started with probable cause at that point. I'm not gonna, I mean, I don't want you to be waiting now for 2.5 hours. That's, yeah. Okay.
It's
So
my
just-
job, Judge. I am here when you're ready.
Don't, we're not talking about you.
Yeah, you see them.
Thank you. All right. Shoot, of course.
What's the process for picking him up? Because my client just.
Who are we talking about?
Just said they're gonna release him. He's been there 5 days. It wasn't him.
What's the last name?
Gomez in order. He said they put his birthday wrong, something was just. It's 5 days, man, like they're doing things.
He refused. Looks like he refused. Has he waived since?
No, we just yesterday.
Oh, he's wanted for murder.
Yeah, and it wasn't him. And they say he's gonna dismiss the whole today because it was.
Who said that?
That Kim. Yeah, he can't.
Oh, so what he'll do is normally he files a nollie. And then the nollie will trigger the case.
Okay.
But it depends. So reach out today to see, hey, are you gonna file a nollie?
Okay.
Or, and then.
He said he was gonna dismiss it by the day.
Okay, yeah, so, I mean, sometime today, as soon as I get it, I sign it, and then he's out probably 6 to 8 hours. It just depends when he files a nollie.
Yeah, that's just.
Yeah, I can put out, you can scan it back. Yeah. They really want to scan it.
Right.
Thank you.
So you know, it's simple, it's
Okay.
I mean, yeah.
Hey. Sorry.
He said there. That's what I said. That's cool. I'm gonna need to come on now. All right. Hi. Oh, yeah, just. Nina. Just send it to you right now. She's doing 4 days, but she's very dangerous. Name's Hawk, H-A-Q. They're just, she should be. 118, feels tired. No, that's, we told them it's all about this, we said we just got last time. You are not what? Oh, really? Sometimes go once in one.
If you want to continue to progress with
Oh, no termination either. Yeah, but it's formed in now. Well, no, it's very improved, yeah. This bill is. There's a 6 month one.
Miss Harvey. Alicia. He's here.
Oh, good.
How you doing, Josh?
Hey, Cena, how are you, man?
Nice and tan.
You too?
Yeah. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Hey, Judge, can I?
Judge, have a good one.
Yeah.
George Gonzalez.
All right, guys, just please keep it down. All right, Mr. Gutines, thank you for showing up.
Thank you. I'm trying to unmute.
No, we're happy that you made it.
Can you hear me now?
We got you loud and clear.
Hey, thank you so much. I'm sorry I couldn't be there. We had announcements in Brazoria County.
Don't worry about it. That's why we have Zoom, just for your life. Make it easier, you know?
Thank you.
You are Mr. Ryan Nelson. Mr. Nelson, you're charged with assault causing bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. As you now see, your lawyer's here with you, but on Zoom, we are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. Okay?
Judge, on August the 7th of 2021, at the Davenport Lounge in Clear Lake, Harris County, this defendant appeared at a bar where a drag show was going on. The defendant came into contact with a trans woman there. He walks out onto the patio. It's all captured on video, walks back in. She extends her hand and he, with one punch, hits her and lays her out cold. This case has been enhanced with a hate crime enhancement because he did select the victim solely because of her gender. The defendant is, his identity is ascertained by following up on the vehicle that he left in. He is interviewed in a non-custodial fashion, where he confesses that yes, he hit the victim in this case and hit her solely because she was trans.
Okay. What are the nature of the injuries? Do you know, if any?
She suffered a concussion. She
Okay.
had some significant swelling to the side of her face. She is, as we stand here today, recovered.
Okay. Anything that you want to add, Mr. Gutines?
I believe the facts will show that the alleged victim grabbed my client on the butt first, which caused him to react. It wasn't a hate crime. It was basically a crime of self-defense.
Okay. Well, I guess eventually we'll get there. Mr. Nelson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. You are also barred from going back to the Davenport Lounge or any place that is LGBTQIA known to accommodating. If you violate these conditions, I will put you in jail. I will revoke your bond. I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my community. I don't care how old you are. I don't care what color you are. You endanger my community. It's just not going to go well for you. Do you understand me? When I mean no alcohol, I mean no alcohol from any source. Cakes, candies, foods, gums, energy drinks, tequila, lollipops, hair dye. I've heard it all. No means no. When I say no illegal drugs, that includes marijuana, THC, gummies, vapes, whatever it may be. You violate these conditions, then likewise into jail you go. This is not a revolving door. You will not get another PR bond. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You're also ordered not to be in possession of any weapons as well. Is there anything else that you think would be appropriate?
No,
That's covered the
nothing I can
gamut?
think of.
All right. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with him. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you, then I will revoke your bond. Do not pick up any new cases. Do not violate these conditions. If you have a question as to where you're going, whether it's an appropriate accommodating place, just don't go. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You're also obviously not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case. For now, I'm going to have you sign a reset. We don't have anyone from pretrial here. Eventually we will. Once you sign the pretrial conditions, at that point, you'll be free to go. You understand? Please, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you for coming. October 13th through the 15th, Mr. Goodines.
Let me take a look at my calendar if I could, Your Honor.
Sure.
October 13th is a good day for me.
Okay,
And thank you for hosting this by Zoom, Your Honor.
absolutely, of course. And it'll be waived for that setting, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, sir. Take care.
Take care.
Well, yeah, maybe you can do something.
Mr. Wood, you ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor. Had a chance to go over the PVR with him.
This is Mr. Ventura, right?
It is, Your Honor.
Come up, Mr. Ventura. Or actually, hold on. Let me do this plea first. It's a security issue. Come up, Mr. Gonzalez. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Mr. Gonzalez, you're charged with terroristic threat.
Yes.
You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. The agreement that you've worked out is 30 days in jail with credit for the 15 days that you have done. Looks like you've served your time, but what you're doing is you're pleading guilty to this offense and it will go on your record and will be there for the rest of your life.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what kind of criminal history you have, but at least now you will be facing a minimum of 30 days in jail.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
You were giving up the right to a trial. right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Is this what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the offense, sir?
Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow the agreement, send you to it. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Deputies, Deputy, I might need you, if you don't mind. Can you come up? I might need you. Come up, Mr. Ventura. So with Mr. Ventura, we have a terroristic threat, an assault of a family member. We have a felony assault of a family member, and then we have a violation of our bond condition as well. So you have 4 extremely dangerous, violent cases. And I told you at the time that I put the conditions on that there was no tolerance. And now you have bond violations. Balls in the
Judge,
court.
my understanding is that there are curfew violations. I believe there are 3 separate ones, the most recent one being August 2nd. I think that all of them reflect that he was within about a 15-minute window of the curfew. I understand it's a violation. But he hasn't picked up any new law offenses. He hasn't not reported. He hasn't done any of those things. And I think if you look at the most egregious one, like I said, I'd be surprised if it's more than 15 minutes, and it had to do with him traveling from, I don't know if you remember, we approached you once before and you expanded the window a little bit to allow for him to work and for travel. I think it was but he was well-meaning, although again, technically non-compliance is non-compliance.
Am I supposed to take someone's word for it? Well, I don't know what the hell you're doing, Mr. Ventura. You know, you're on bond for. How do I know? Am I supposed to take your word for it? Do you know what business we're in? We're in the business of proof, not spoken word. No. You knew exactly where you were coming today. You knew what needed to happen today. It is your responsibility. I want people to work, but I want my public safe. And when you come here, it's,
We could actually document the times as far as what I just proposed for 10, 15 minutes. That would probably show up on time records themselves.
But regardless, you still have violations, and I have already worked with you. And the problem is, Mr. Ventura, is there are people who act like adults in this life, and there are people who act like children who push and who push and who push to see how much they could get away with. I brought you here because of your 3rd bond violation. Had I not brought you here today, what would continue to happen? Baloney! You're going to jail today. Get whatever proof you have and show me, but certainly I'm not taking any word, and I'm now doubling all of your bonds. Goes with you. And then Mr. Wood will talk, but.
Guys, I'm gonna probably withdraw so that you can get a court-appointed lawyer because.
That's what you want to do, then I'm happy to appoint him a lawyer.
Upstairs already on those felonies, so I'll continue to do that.
If you want to withdraw, sure, I'm happy
If
to.
those cases resolve, it might make this whole proceeding, but I just don't know. But I
Okay.
would need him up there to do that, so I guess I'm gonna try to get the sport.
Okay, so 30,006 on the assault, and then 20. What is that? 25,005. You ready?
Yes.
Hi, Sebastian.
Mr. Watson, I'm the other.
Okay.
So I already talked to Karina about he took 2 TDC on his felony speeding. They dismissed all his new law violations as a condition of that.
Oh, he
All that's
took
okay
2
is that
TDC,
he
no?
took 2 TDC. So
Are they gonna kick these?
they already kicked these.
Oh, they did? Okay.
Yeah, so
All right.
I mean, since he's gonna be in TDC,
There's nothing for us to do.
what could be his term?
Oh, he's,
Yeah, he's not a motion to revoke, Judge.
Yeah, obviously. Wait, what's on probation for? Are you okay with the unset term or do you want?
I'm okay with that.
It's also an MRP, and he's not
He
gonna
has-
defer either, so.
Oh, it's already a
It's straight-
conviction?
it's straight probation.
Got it, okay. I didn't know if he was on deferred or.
No.
Yeah, it's MRP. yeah.
Got it, okay, yeah, for sure.
Okay,
Thanks, Sebastian.
Absolutely, thank you.
Hey,
Good morning.
hi, good morning.
I have Mr. Brian, he's a veteran inspector on the docket.
Okay,
His son has been got his contract on the 7th, he said sign it. I'll be here today because I just gave it to him today, sign.
okay, we'll give you a week to finish it up.
Fair enough?
Yeah. Okay, let him know if he's not done in a week. I'm rolling his day for day though.
Okay, okay.
So call today to make the appointment, okay?
Oh, he got there to lock, he needs to pay the fee.
Oh,
Yeah.
do you want it sooner or do you want just
Well, he
keep
needs
it?
to at least a Friday to pay, so we can work.
No problem. Okay, for sure.
Brian.
May we approach our?
Yeah, come on in.
Adrian Rock.
Rock.
Adrian.
Last name is
Rock.
BRO.
Jail?
Yes, sure, he's in custody.
Yeah.
We've, come to a plea agreement. We just need time for him to, just get out and put some money together for restitution.
All right, go ahead and sign.
How much is the restitution?
Almost $1,500, Judge.
How's he gonna pay that?
We didn't seem to have a problem with it, and I said if this was the term of the plea, are we gonna be able to make that restitution? Seemed to be fine with it.
Because he can't even pay $500 to get out of jail.
Is that what's brought up?
Bonds are at 5,000 now for both of the case. It's each at 2,501, so total of 5,000 and which would theoretically be 500. So how?
Valid question.
So what I would suggest, do you mind bringing out Mr. Brock, please? Uh-oh. So certainly we'll give you time, but at some point we just got to push it and get it ready for trial.
Yeah, the
So,
question, I did offer probation with restitution so that he can get out and has a year to pay. If he doesn't want probation, you ought to do time served and pay restitution, but you would have to pay the restitution.
yeah, I mean, is it true $1,500 from someone?
They provided us the invoice and everything.
Got it. I'm not, right.
No, it's
So,
perfectly fair condition to require.
you need me?
Oh, no.
You made a problem with Susan.
Good morning, Mr. Brock.
Good morning, sir.
So your lawyer has told you about an offer that they have to where if restitution is paid, what is the offer?
If you would like to pay restitution, Judge, you could do 1 year probation or time served.
Okay, with restitution paid up front,
Correct, Judge.
right? So those are the two offers that you have now. So either probation, in which case you pay the restitution through probation over an amount of time, usually a year to 2 years. So it would break down to, I don't know, it would be about $125 a month if for a full year to make up to $1,500 restitution. Do that through probation or through taking a time served. But I'm telling you now, just restitution needs to be done up front. We're not going to trust you to do it on the back end. So I'll give you, I guess, a couple weeks to think about it, to get it done. But at some point, we have to get going. We can't just sit here and reset it and reset it. Your case is 140 days old now. So we'll set it 2 weeks from today. Do you think that you have someone that's going to be able to pay the restitution in this case?
Upfront? No.
That's something that you need to consider then, because, we're basically resetting it just to reset it, just to prolong it, and you're just sitting there. I mean, your bonded to get you out would be maybe 500, a little bit more. And so you need to discuss what you want to do with your lawyer. You don't have to accept either plea bargain. If you don't, that's okay. We'll set your case for trial and we can go to trial. Those are the three options that you have. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's do a week so he just doesn't languish. Next week, when you come back, make a decision on what you want to do, and we'll go from there. If you don't want to take either of the plea bargain agreements, that's okay. We will set your case for trial. Well, I don't want you to make a decision out in front of everyone. I want you to do it with your lawyer, do it with calm, with peace, because you need to make an informed decision, meaning a smart one, because it could impact you for a very long time. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my friend. I guess you guys talk, see what you want to do. If there's no resolution, just set it for a week and we'll go from there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
okay, all right. Good luck, Mr. Brown.
Thank you.
Mr. Mills, I saw you waiting.
Yes,
You
I
need
was
her.
waiting on her.
Okay,
I
thanks.
think for my client, I'm gonna need a translator, so that was what.
Which client is yours?
Mohammed Dawara, he's here on the bond violation.
Where is he?
He's in Holo.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh, he's in jail.
yeah.
I didn't realize he was in jail. I thought he was out.
No, he's
What was the last name again?
DAWAGREH, Judge.
Why don't I see it? Maybe it's under Muhammad. Oh, it's under Muhammad. Okay, I see it.
Dawara, reverse the order.
Okay, Arabic or what do you?
Yeah, Arabic.
Okay, I don't know if we might have to roll it till tomorrow. We usually need to give Master Word 24 hours. 24 hours to be able to,
To get an Arabic translator. Okay, that's fine.
unless I'll ask Victoria if she can. If not, then are you okay tomorrow? And if you can't be here, you can always Zoom.
I can Zoom for sure.
Yeah. Well, that's why we have it.
And Judge, I'm gonna ask to withdraw after I handle the bond violation, so just
Are you appointed or retained?
retain, Judge.
Okay,
So just wanted to get that.
I understand.
And-
Not
But I was
don't worry about it,
on
Mr. Mills.
violation. Cool, thank you.
Okay, yeah, and I'm happy to,
I appreciate
we'll
it.
we'll deal with the bond violation, just get your motion ready, and then
Okay, thank you, Judge.
we need an Arabic translator.
When, today?
Is it too late? It's already 11 o'clock. All right, so let's push it to tomorrow.
Tomorrow's fine. Okay, I'll Zoom in, Judge.
Yeah, Zoom in, and we're slated to pick a jury tomorrow.
Okay,
So-
I'll get one.
Try early, and then usually they get here, what, 10?
Whatever time I request.
So do 9:30? Yeah.
I was gonna say, I can be on as early as you need to.
Well, just, I usually get here around 9 anyway. So let's do 9:30 just to give you a bit of a cushion. It shouldn't take too long. We'll deal with it and then have a motion ready to go, file it so it's ready to go.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah,
Judge.
of course.
Which you could tomorrow. Alright.
Yes, and you know, and I usually get to go on about.
I saw. So this literally on the. So.
Yes, I'm sorry. I was gonna say for that. And then you'll have to.
We do need to,
Hey, Victoria, did you get some from Frichal? Or no?
Yes, twice I sent it to you. Yeah, for this last one, Nelson.
Do we know, is Veronica gone all week or is it just
No, I
today?
think it was just
Just
today.
today?
With permission, because I texted her also yesterday. No, she's out.
oh, gotcha. And also for.
Yes, I gave it to her. Okay, awesome. And also, listen, all of the other drugs. But I just put it on the. Oh, yeah. Yeah. But it was interesting. Okay.
Yeah, anything else? So each of the benefits we say that for substitution. You know, something about what the substitution. Right, yeah, thank you. How are you doing?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I think.
Welcome back. He's not on the board. He's not. She doesn't have any. He's not. But the application to like.
Herman?
She comes in.
You're at 177. Judges call. So, she says she uploaded to the. So I'm gonna put the substitution bill.
Especially uploaded the bill to the case release, and release it and. Okay. Should be better. Maybe there's no 5 minutes, let me double check this. I can generate one for you. Most possibly. So she will get, so it's like 800 stuff.
Hey, Victoria, you want to go through it?
Top of one,
Okay.
sexual arraignment fell over here. That's another case that said for arraignment on 17.
5,002 on on today's case. Or is this the first one?
Yes, Judge. The other one is that he picked up another case.
Okay, so yeah, I'm going to do 5,002 then.
You said 3?
5,002. Hey, good morning, Wakari.
I can still have one.
Yeah, so that they got something in there about it.
Hey, Bali Gonzalez never showed up, correct? That was Lindsay's trial case.
Oh, Judge, I think that one, they may have resolved it.
But she still has to show. You can't just not come to court. In fact, the defense lawyer asked me to if she didn't show.
I did see her. She passed by to.
You saw who?
Bless you.
Thanks.
I'm pulling up the name to make sure. Not really bad with the name. Yeah, she was here.
Who?
She was sitting in the front, the defense attorney.
She never checked. Did she check in with you?
Oh, Judge. I don't know about the defendant, but I saw.
The defendant, Bali Gonzalez, page 23. No.
I saw the defense attorney. Judge.
Yeah. And the defense lawyer came up here, told me that, hey, I haven't had contact with her. I lost it. She's supposed to be here. She's not here.
No.
Just checking.
Property. So, there was snapping on this, what happened? It's like sign off on the basis of the substitution. Yeah. And that's really good. Well, I don't know. I mean, I just. That's just surprised, but if you need to. Absolutely. Judge, I part that coach.
Sure.
So Your Honor, on Mr. Ventura, apparently we made arrangements and he's retained me on the other case as well as the one that I appeared on today, which was actually.
So you're going to stay on it then?
I'm gonna stay on.
Okay.
And there's an order there for me to sign.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
You got it, Mr. Wood. Thanks.
No, sir, he's a.
Yeah, so she doesn't indicate that she didn't show up, so her bond was revoked.
Yeah. Hey, so on that other trial case, Bali Gonzalez, 5001.
Okay. I had a confusion with
We might not get it.
Sorry. Hey, on Bali Gonzalez, 5002, there are 2 times she failed to appear, and I just noticed. Sorry, guys. Hey, ready?
Yes.
Come on up.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
You know, Randall.
Random?
Randall.
Randall.
Yes.
Okay.
The judge, for this one, there is an agreement, in regards to restitution, and in any management costs for dismissal. I'm speaking to Shantia to confirm that she received the restitution bill, like the invoice, so that defense can provide to defense, so they can see that that's the restitution amount. Complainant indicated was $1,100, so we just have to upload the invoice and upload the restitution bill to them to pay it on that.
Okay. I'm not going to set it long though. It's at 177 days. So
Yes.
pick a day next week. We'll set it. Also, no more waived appearances after 180 days. Okay.
Okay.
So just
Yes,
so there is a,
we received hospital bill.
no, but what the agreement is a dismissal
Restitution, yes, PTI,
or,
restitution and anger management costs.
so if your client does the anger management class now and pays restitution prior to the next setting, then they won't have to come back. But that's contingent on hopefully them getting everything to you guys accepting it and then getting everything done. Otherwise, she's got to be here.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So next week. Oh.
I know it's out. Okay, maybe that's it.
Who's next? Bowie, page 2.
No, this bond report said 8 points only. Top of 19,
Nice.
would it require appearance for the second time we failed to
5001.
PO?
Has he? Yeah, because he's missed more than one time. So let me see how many times he's missed. Uh, 5002.
The last time you put that only thought. But then, that's all you get.
Okay.
Hey, I just put the short order for somebody who passed away. I don't want it
I saw that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm signing right now. Crazy, huh? He didn't look that old.
No, I think it was 67.
Oh, yes, yeah. There you go. There we go. Okay. Mr. Houston wants it. And, older and I don't know this prior to me.
I think that was the last. I'm still waiting on.
Who are you waiting on?
Blood, Ellis Blood, and, well, Kendra Vega. She sent somebody yesterday to help her out, so I'll assume.
If no one comes, set it for the day, same day that we did last week, next week. What, who's Tyler's case on?
Who's what?
The defendant?
Defendant for Kendra?
No, Dave, no, for flood.
Oh, bottom of 7 is missing. So they're still missing the stuff, yeah. We need to see.
Hey, thanks for coming. So, in this case, no alcohol, no illegal drugs, frequent testing, no weapons, no contact with the complaining witness, no going back to Davenport in Clear Lake. The state has alleged that this is a hate crime against a particular class of people. So no going to any bars, nightclubs, associations, anything with regard to the LGBTQIA community. Thanks.
As far as frequent, how frequently, once a week, random,
Twice monthly, randomly though. Yeah. Thanks. Yes.
There's council for all, this monthly back request to be 9/10. September 10th, are you fine with that, or you're gonna ask about?
Do they know, do they know that Discovery's missing?
Yes.
Okay, that's how, no, I'm not going to do that with Discovery Outstanding because I'm not going to get 160 days. So do they have someone that can come?
Oh, yeah, they're asking if they should zoom on. So I'll-
Yes, say yes.
Then on page 29, it looks like we're waiting on the committee.
Is the defense lawyer here?
I think he's in the back, Judge, he's been in and out, but I think it's Jonathan. Just say he does.
Yeah, make sure he don't leave. Look at the plea done. Oh, that was the guy from yesterday?
Alberta?
No, the plea from yesterday. Remember the guy was on probation? Or maybe not.
Judge, because you just made it up.
Okay.
What happened?
Judge, also, can I give you a case number?
Yeah.
2604-531.
That's him?
Yes, Judge, we can counsel.
Hey, Leonard, Mr. Leonard, I'm taking him in back. I'm not giving him another PR bond. No, Hines.
Oh,
Oh,
was he here?
Yeah.
He wants to arrest him.
Oh, I didn't know he was in the back.
Oh, he was right there.
He was right there, but he's got a warrant at 5,002
Oh, I
because he's
didn't know
missed
he was
multiple times.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, give us a minute.
Well, there he is.
If I may discuss whether there's some extenuating issues for that case.
I'm certainly all ears, but when you miss one time, we give you the benefit of the doubt and you continue to miss, really. I mean, well, talk to me, but I don't know.
PCI officer, he signed the contract, he's just gotta go to the diversion center.
I understand, but he shows when he wants to show. He doesn't show when he's supposed to show. This is not the Mr. Hines show, you know? We have a reset, just,
I'll do a short list.
Victoria, I'm sorry, or when you're done with her. Hey, did he miss one time or two? I think it's only one. Victoria.
It's just the one.
For me, it's sufficient. No, it's personal information.
So, yeah, but one.
Hey, you might have him bring him up. Huh? It's freaking cold as hell in here. What the hell? It's like icicles in here. The problem is then they all put on heaters and then I start sweating like a man. It's cold. I guess they fixed the AC yesterday.
Your Honor, I'm also here on another in custody, Mr. Bustamante.
Okay.
I will definitely approach on a QC bond.
Bustamante. Oh, Mr. Bustamante. Oh, Mr. Bustamante. Good. He should. What's the word, Thunderbird? Talk to me.
Well, Mr. Bustamante, he obviously did pick up a new case. There was, his understanding was he had another felony PCS case that been reported to. His thought is that there was some agreement between him and the state that if he went to that, the AFM case would be dismissed. He wasn't, he regarding this new case, we he has agreed to do a new down rip. I think this is a mental health thing, maybe schizophrenia.
I will tell you that it stems from a lot of one thing. What is it?
Most likely also some self-medication as well.
That's what I think. And we have continually tried to talk, counsel, test, even twice weekly. And we just can't get a hold of Mr. Bustamante does what Mr. Bustamante wants to do. And the terroristic threat, is it against the same daughter as?
It's the son.
The son. I would say probably terroristic threat, assault, terroristic threat, terroristic threat, terroristic threat, assault. They're all against the same group of people, and the family ends up paying the price because I think that they cannot tell him no when he wants to go stay there, and then he ends up perhaps using, and then it's a vicious cycle that's been going on now for about 2 to 3 years. I can't just continue to condone it. Me letting him out or doing whatever, it's just gonna do that. So, and I'll talk to him. I'll bring him out and talk to him. Mr. Hines, you are also under some mistaken belief that the court system revolves around you, that you, I'll give you a chance, but look at me. When we have court dates, you were supposed to come on those court dates, not on the ones that you want to come to 8 months later. This case now stems from February. We have reset you. They got you a screaming heart deal. All you had to do was show up for an evaluation at the hair center and the case would get dismissed. You missed that and you missed the next court date. So the bond is set at $5,002. I understand that there may be mental health issues, but at some point your actions become your own. Do you understand? This is not the Hines show where you get to come and go as you please whenever you want to go, where you go, like you go to the Toys R Us. But I think that you believe so.
No, sir, I got mixed up. See, Your Honor, when my lawyer had talked to me, he said that you said if I was a student at Texas Southern University and they had proof of my papers and stuff like that coming to school, that you said that I did not have to show up to my court dates. But when he said sign the papers, I signed them on the computer as soon as he gave them to me. I put David J. Hines on the papers, but I didn't get no email from him after that about what hospital to go to because he didn't inform me.
Mr. Leonard, did you give him the paperwork to go to the hair center?
It was emailed and texted. I do know that.
It was e-signature, because I signed it with e-signature. I put Damon J. Hines the same day he gave it to me.
Mr. Hines, whenever you have a discrepancy, whenever you have an issue that you don't understand, it is on you to figure out what to go on.
Okay.
But you can't just sit here and out of sight, out of mind. The law doesn't work that. It's like a jealous mistress all over your back every single day. Now, your case is 8 months old and we need to figure out what we're going to do with your case. So I want you to sit down with your lawyer and figure it out. But I'm done playing games. You understand?
I'm not gonna test you.
You already done have, your bond is set up. You have a warrant for your arrest and you're already in custody now as we speak.
Your Honor, if I may jump in. Okay. If I may, obviously, I would like to say that he did show up today. I don't know if that's because he thought today was the court date or not. I didn't know he was.
It's because Mr. Hines comes when Mr. Hines wants to come. That's why he's here today.
I would also like to mention though that we would be glad, he knows what he's got to do. I'm going to get it to him. If the court would possibly entertain a GPS with a reset for Friday for him to come back, just so we can go to the diversion center, get the assessment done, see what resources are available to him, because I want to keep him out, Judge. He's.
What's your opinion, Sting?
Well, Your Honor, understand that there was a miscommunication between them and knowing that Cole will speak with him.
Are you out for blood?
No, I am not. I want him to get the help that he needs. I want him to get his.
We all want you to get the help, but at some point, Mr. Hines, just stop. I want you, every time you're trying to think of what to say, you don't listen and you don't hear. Listen and you might learn.
Yes.
We want you to get help. We want you to be the best person that you can be. And that starts, one, with working. Because when you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive. I've got too much, I don't know, your brain craves activity. It craves things to do. And when you don't, and when you go out there on the street, it will eat you alive, as you now see on number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, number 8, and most of them being violent. You have one opportunity. I will extremely reluctantly reinstate your bond now, but it's not going to happen again. And I'm ordering you now to go to the facility and you have to be there Thursday. That is August 13th, 2026 at 9 in the morning. You must be back here on Friday with proof that you have attended. If you fail on either, do you understand? Consider yourself lucky because I'm not going to do this again. And remember, at some point, your actions become your own and you cannot claim, woe is me.
No, Your Honor,
I
my
don't-
medicine was 70, it was 70 milligrams. It was under the dosage. It was a little light because that was.
You cannot continue to use that forever and a day is what I'm trying to tell you. At some point, you know, we have court dates. You know, you have to be here on a certain day. And when you are not here, for example, if you are not here August 14th, in 3 days, I will revoke your bond. And next time, it's going to have probably 3 zeros by the end of it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll see you on Friday.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Actions
Speak louder than
speak louder than
words. I can show you
words.
better than I can tell you.
We will see you on Friday.
Yes, sir. I got my stuff there.
And then we have a seat.
Yes, sir. My stuff back there.
Just a second. Go ahead and start.
Sorry, guys, let me just, give me 1 second. Brianne, or I'm sorry. You're not, no, I'm not ready for you. You had one more.
Bustamante. He's in the back.
Do we need to bring him out?
We don't need to, Judge.
Okay.
I thought you wanted to. though.
No, it's okay. I don't think we need to, I think that it would end up in, yeah.
I
So-
understand. Will bonds stay the way they are right now? Thank you very much, Judge.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. That's great.
Okay, Matt,
Yes.
talk to me.
Mr. Soto, Judge?
Brianne, you're next. Brianna,
Mr. Soto, Mr. Mayor?
I hear she's still in.
Yes, you had another surgery.
That's what we heard. We were just gonna put her on for next week where we put her, all of her other cases and then kind of reevaluate to see how she's doing, see if she's out. Yeah, I guess she's probably gonna be homebound for a while, but remember that she can still zoom in.
Sure.
Nevertheless, her cases are at 200 days,
I get
man.
it.
So
We're trying.
I get it. I know. I trust you.
Yes, sir.
So,
And
yeah,
so
just,
for
we were gonna put
courthouse-
whatever,
Yeah, for Mr. Soto, we're just waiting to get, writ from the complaint. We've attempted twice already, so we're
Thank
working
you.
on it.
so hold on, let me see how old it is, because I didn't
It's
even.
from April, Judge.
So it's 120. It's not too terribly old, but do me a solid, just eval without the complaining
Yes,
witness, just in case,
Yes,
so
that's
that,
criminal mischief, so we're working on that cumulative amount, but it is a Spanish trip and I've tried too much already having that.
oh, wonderful.
All right. All right, thank you.
Okay, thanks, Matt, for coming. Brianne,
Hi.
hi, thank you for coming. She has
Shindy.
and it's come to our attention that you're at 135 days, you're still missing discovery.
Let me
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. You have a plea, right?
Yes, so,
Yes, right.
the only
Etch.
thing that
If you bring the plea out.
we could be missing is, any medical records that are related to the defendant. But other than that, everything else is there.
Have you issued a subpoena deuce tecum?
We issued a subpoena to the second judge to get that done. We reissued it again yesterday.
Did you put a date certain on it?
Let me double check.
If you just issue a subpoena in Stanford, you're not going to get squat. You have to put, okay, be here August, 17th, records in hand. Otherwise, we issue a,
I can, judge for the next 4 days, if you like, it does require at least 2 weeks. And
that's what I was going to do.
Ask the date that they have to provide or permit.
So, Brian, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them 3 weeks now. They're going to issue a new subpoena with a date certain on it. If it's not here, whatever discovery is not here by the next setting, we will set up for a 10-day discovery hearing.
Okay.
So just be ready.
Yes.
At that point, whatever's not here, not coming in.
I'm just
So,
curious.
yeah. 3 weeks.
So we do have, blood results from the other.
Well, I don't,
Okay.
just don't matter, really, just.
September first?
How's September 1st?
We can do September 1st.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, it'll still be waived for that of 2, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm doing that right now, just putting that September first date.
Great. Okay, see you later.
All right. Bye.
Thanks.
Y'all have a good day.
You too, take care. Ready? Yeah, come on. Good morning, Mr. Brock. So the agreement that you have worked out, I want you to understand something, that I can keep you for the next 2 to 3 years. And if you try to play games, we can issue a warrant for your arrest, put you in jail, and the sentences can get longer and longer. My main priority is getting restitution back to the complaining witness. What is the most favorite thing that you have in this world?
My kids.
Aside from a living person, because you can't kill a living person. A piece of property. What is your most favorite piece of property?
My vehicle.
Imagine if I get a bat and I go to your vehicle and I break the hell out of all the windows, all the lights, the dashboard, and you're out $4,000. How would that make you feel? Right. I mean, what's fair is fair. So same thing here. This is a criminal mischief. There's restitution of $1,500. I'm going to hold you until it gets paid. And if you start toying with us, start playing games, don't pay, and it's not a lot of money. It's $125 a month. Just have to get a job. That's one of the conditions as well. No using alcohol, no using illegal drugs. If you start playing and spending money on the wrong thing, then we can issue a warrant for your arrest, file a motion to revoke. We can have a hearing. You were looking at a year in jail, but I'm telling you, perhaps the first time it'll be a weekend. Perhaps the next time it'll be a week, let you out, reinstate the probation, let it go for another year, play around, maybe another 2 weeks, then maybe 3 weeks, then maybe a month. I expect you to pay the money back.
Yes, sir.
It's only fair. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So I hope that you can do this the right way, and I'll make you a deal. Once you pay that money off, all of it, I'll take you off. I'm going to take all your other fines and fees away. I don't care about anything else. There's no supervisory fee. There's no court fees. The only thing I want you to do is pay the complaining witness back through probation, not on your own.
Yes, sir.
You understand? Because we need proof of it. The agreement that you have worked on is a 1-year Harris County jail sentence to be probated for 1 year. The main condition is $1,500 restitution to the complaining witness, an effective decision-making class, a 4-hour anger management class, no contact with the complaining witness, no weapons, no drugs, no alcohol, subject to random testing. Is this how you understand the agreement?
Yes, sir.
You now know it would literally cost probably around $500 just to get you out of jail. So you got to figure when you're out there in the real world, if there are shenanigans afoot and you end up with a new charge, you end up with a motion to revoke, the bond is probably going to go higher what it is now. And there's not even a penny person in this world that will pony up $500 for you. So when you go to jail, you were most probably stuck for who knows how long. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm not asking much from you. I just want my streets safe. And what's fair is fair. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement, you were stuck with this. You can never change this, undo this. You either complete this successfully or it gets revoked. I'm telling you now, I'm going to hold you until it gets done. You understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the offense of criminal mischief? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow the agreement, sentence you to the 1 year. I will probate that for 1 year. $1,500 restitution to start in 45 days. You must have a job within 30 days. What were you doing before you were arrested?
Waste management.
Okay, you need a job. When you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive, and hence, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
30 days to get a job. Otherwise, it's very possible they file a warrant or issue a motion to revoke, and you're going to be back over here. And really, all right, man, I wish you the best of luck. If you ever have any problems, you can always come back and talk to us. But like I said, I've really waived all fines, all fees. The only thing that you have to do is pony up $125 a month restitution for the next year. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you very much,
Thanks. Hi.
I'm sorry for trying to.
Do you have someone on docket today?
No, it's all.
What's your cause number? Please.
Yes. 259
Okay,
3665.
heard.
Yes.
Okay,
So his next court date's in September, but he asked me if I could help him amend some of the bond conditions because they're pretty restrictive. He's starting a job and the curfew is really limiting him.
what is he doing? Tell me it's in the middle of the night, right?
No.
Okay, well, that's good. That's a good start.
No, so he's gonna start at, it's called Texas Bike Flagging Traffic Control. And he did give me time from 7 in the morning to 7 p.m. And he gave me his office number and everything, so.
Okay, so let's do this. I don't have anyone pre-trial here today.
Right.
So if you don't mind sending it to Veronica, what I'd like to do is verify that he's actually employed there. If he is employed, absolutely, I will. I would prefer them working than not working, but I'm not going to just give you a blanket 12 hours a day and expect you to do this and that. I want to tweak it to where you're working. You go to work. We want to know what your schedule is. We want to know how far you are from your job, and then we'll tweak it according to all that. Yes, I'm happy to do it, but I'm not just giving you a blanket and hope that you trust with.
Right.
And then little by little, we start building trust.
Are you gonna charge him to come in for that?
No, we can waive it, but I am gonna want to reach out to them, make sure that he's not bluffing. It's true. If he starts, when is he gonna start? So that we can amend by the bond conditions for that day.
Okay, I'll get her then. Thank you so much.
She's not here today.
She's not.
So yeah,
I'll
I'm
get her
sorry.
contact.
Okay, yes.
Thank you.
And then once she's able to verify everything, then we'll talk again. And you can zoom in so you don't have to come here as well. We have it so that you don't have to waste your time coming. Yeah, really. I mean, that's why we have it, so that your life is, yeah, for sure.
All right, Judge, that's it.
All right, we're done.
I'm still going to speak with you.
No,
Oh,
that was before.
Okay.
Make sure that you left before we did the plea before you left.
certainly, certainly.
Wait, Karina, can we get this go on Brock?
Yes.
Thank you.